Good morning, Dingles Crypto. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. What a day it was in cryptocurrency. Not so much Bitcoin as we just stayed consolidating around 32, not 13, guys. 33,000 consolidated, which is exactly what we wanted to see because we wanted it to take a breather so the 20-week moving average can cool off, as well as Ethereum and other altcoins. We needed it to rebound against Bitcoin, guys, because we were getting very low in ETH Bitcoin ratio, and we definitely needed to see a rebound, and this is exactly what we needed to see, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And if you go back to my New Year's video, I pointed out this like coincidence, but it was kind of a strange thing. Just listen up for a second.
Yesterday, we were around the same price in 2017, right? And in the beginning of 2018, we went straight up. Within 2 weeks, we went straight up to $1,440, right? So we could very easily see the same thing happen this year because Q1 has historically been a good quarter for Ethereum against Bitcoin, and I could see that happening. Now let's jump into.
So there you go. I still believe that we could easily within the next week and a half see us shoot up to 14.4 and test all-time highs with Ethereum very easily. I mean, we just look what happened today, and today is Monday, and the market opens Monday, and the CME ETH futures open soon. I actually did totally just remembered that. I should have put a little tab here, but I didn't for that. But that opens soon, and there's a lot of other bullish fundamental news for Ethereum coming out soon. So let's talk about a couple other tokens that have done extremely well. Polkadot, $10, guys. I was bringing it up. I mean, it's such a clear winner long term, guys. It's a beautiful project. I posted several videos on it in the past. Awesome project. It's my fourth largest holding, and it has been exploding very easily. This year could see $100 billion market cap. That would equal around $100 a token. Not financial advice, gotta say that. Right? But let's go into Chainlink, because Chainlink has actually this summer was leading the altcoin charge. But the one thing I do want to say is Ethereum gas prices, guys, absolutely insane. I was looking at transactions this morning, approximately $150 to $200 just to move money around on the Ethereum network. So if you want to look at altcoins, I would definitely look at Polkadot chain tokens, because you don't have to worry about gas fees, right? Because Polkadot ecosystem tokens much lower gas fees, and usually they have their own blockchain at this point, so very low gas fees. So if you hit a Polkadot parachain gem like Chainx has been doing well, a lot of them have. Edgeware has been doing well. A lot of the ones I've been bringing up several times have been doing well lately, and those are very easy to exit your positions. You can hold it in cold storage, like I always say. It's better to hold in cold storage, and then it would be very cheap to put it on the exchange, versus Ethereum is very expensive, guys. So keep that in mind when you are positioning yourself, because today I actually got stuck in a protocol because the gas prices were so expensive, and I wanted to reposition my money, and I couldn't really. I could if I wanted to, but I decided just to wait it out, and because it's just too expensive to move your money on Ethereum right now, which is unfortunate. But let's go into some other just more ETH bullish news, right? So a lot of Ethereum longs, at $1,000, guys, a significant amount. But that's just a person noting that. And then, I mean, as Anthony states right here, that's okay. He is a ambassador for SEP protocol, awesome protocol. That's okay though. 1,000 is just a small step to the journey to 10K. 10K is tough. It's definitely going to land somewhere between 5 and 10K. I really do believe so in the next year, and I am planning for that, and I plan on running my own node, right? So that is my plan, and we'll see if it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, you can't win if you don't play, right? So keep that in mind. DeFi is bubbling again. Obviously, total value locked up is up to almost 18 billion, but it's up to 17 billion, but it's obviously following the price of Ethereum, which has been going up tremendously recently. But the one thing, that stat you want to look at is the amount of Ethereum locked, and actually it's been pretty stagnant, guys. We haven't seen much growth, but I wouldn't be surprised once individuals start learning about Ethereum and ETH2 comes down the road and starts implementing the phases, and EIP 1559 and all these things, all these developments will lead to Ethereum DeFi adoption, right? So another thing I want to point out is 2.2 million Ethereum is locked up in the staking contract right now. That's almost 2% of the total supply, guys. Insane amount. And Q1 Ethereum staking is coming out on Coinbase, on Binance, on every exchange possible. They're going to be doing Ethereum staking. So why would people sell Ethereum when they're getting 5 to 10% interest on Ethereum, guys? It's going to take a much higher price to sell your Ethereum, because it just doesn't make sense to sell your Ethereum at this point when you're earning 5 to 10% interest, right? So I think this will be a big factor to push the price up in the near future, as well as the CME futures for Ethereum come out. I believe it might be mid-January or mid-February. I should have added that to the video, but I totally forgot until I started talking about it. But let's jump right into some Bitcoin. It was Bitcoin's birthday today. Great birthday, right? I mean, all-time highs. Maybe was that hit yesterday? I think that might have been hit yesterday, guys. But it's Ethereum's birthday. The first block was ever created in 2008, and yeah, the thing I wanted to show you was Marcus Brownlee. If you don't know, he is a very influential tech reviewer. He interviewed Elon Musk. He is a very smart individual when it regards tech. He's got 5 million followers, and this is what he tweets. Step 1, resist the urge to buy Bitcoin at 32,000. Step 2, you regret not buying Bitcoin earlier, right? So it always seems expensive until it gets more expensive. And that seems to be the trend of, Bitcoin's life, right? So, and I want to show you this video because I feel like this is what skeptics still believe in. They just don't understand blockchain technology, and it's kind of sad to see, guys, because Bitcoin is the biggest wealth transfer in our generation, especially my generation, guys. The transfer of wealth is going to happen in one vehicle or another, and I think that vehicle is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and DeFi, and these blockchain innovations, right? So let's just listen to this unfortunate man. Let's just say that.
They're selling cryptocurrency as either investment vehicle or gambling vehicle or both, depending on your perspective.
Well, it's not even an investment. An investment, there's got to be some it can't be purely speculative.
Okay, what he's trying to say, and I'm going to fix him for a second because he is going to miss the one point that he wants to hit, and he's going to say that Bitcoin is not an investment because it does not generate cash flows. And this is what he's trying to say, but I don't think he knows the word for it. So let's it is what it is.
An investment, it can't be coin goes up because coin goes up. You don't buy Apple because Apple will go up. Otherwise, Apple would just keep going up. Why isn't Apple $100 million a share? Apple's a big company. Amazon's a big company. Why not Tesla go to $100 trillion? Why not? This is the same argument BTC and Ethereum are making.
Okay, so first off, he doesn't know the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum. And also, does gold generate cash flows? He's comparing gold to a stock. You can't do that. Gold does not generate cash flows, guys. And Bitcoin does not necessarily generate cash flows, even though you can earn interest in DeFi right now with a Bitcoin, right? And he obviously does not understand Ethereum. These are the people that still believe this blockchain technology is a scam, and unfortunately there's more of them out there than you actually realize, and hopefully eventually they will be forced in. So I mean, we need them, we don't need them, or it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if we have them on the boat or not. We're going, and I'm glad each and every one of you are on the boat with me. But Raw Paul, he's a macro Bitcoin investor. He's been in the game for a while. He thinks a lot of the estimates, my estimate is like 150,000 guys. Obviously, we've been going up substantially lately, and it seems like we might go more than 100 to 150,000 in the next bull run, which is this year, guys. So, but he says it's going to land somewhere between 400 and 1.2 million by the end of 2021. I will say he says not an exact science, but context, right? Because I mean, that is a range, right? That is a range. That, I mean, I don't think I could say it was going to land between $50,000 and $1 million, and I probably will be right, so I mean, it's not very bold when you have that big of a range, so but let's move on to Lambos are so 2017 win Bugatti, right? So in 2017 everybody was talking about Lambos. When will I be able to buy a Lambo? I don't even like a Bugatti, he should have put Tesla or something, guys. So I mean, it's just funny. It's just funny. Now Dot and Link are the two safest altcoin plays you can make this year. Again, those are my third and fourth largest holdings, and I do agree with him. It's the safest altcoin play. I'm playing, when I buy altcoins, I play long term, and my idea in my head is this altcoin will be considered not an altcoin when I sell, right? So as like Ethereum was considered an altcoin last bull run, this bull run is not really, a lot of people do not consider it an altcoin, including myself. And Dot and Link are considered an altcoin at this point, but I think next bull run they will be so essential and such a big name in crypto and their ecosystems. Well, Link is integrating with everything, right? So they will be so integrated with blockchain technology that they will basically not be an altcoin. And that's what I play. That's kind of what I'm picturing when I long-term hold these tokens, right? So, and lastly, obviously I do necessarily agree with, like, if you shut us down, give us a paycheck, right? And I do agree with that in a sense, but I just want to put this out there because at the end of the day, they are encouraging printing of more money, right? So at the end of the day, they're just printing the money into worthlessness, and I know I personally will never find value in holding US dollars, guys, and that's just me, and I hope you guys are the same way, because politicians do not know how to handle money once again. And no matter if you agree with the stimulus or disagree with it, all you know and all we can agree on is that US dollars are going to zero, right? And that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, as well as the Discord server. Our Dingle's Discord server is down in this description if you want to join and ask any questions. We're talking all day long in there. Very good conversations, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and peace out till next time. Dingle dingle.